Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera. So let's tap on the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon right here to open more options, and on the third position from the very bottom we've got this timer option, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me just choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see this icon will be immediately changed. Moreover, here we can check whether we've got the timer set or not. It's right now highlighted. So now let's simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. As you can see here, we've got also an additional countdown, let's say. So basically this is how it works. Of course, you can turn the timer off just by tapping, for example, on this option and tap on off. So this icon without any kind of countdown, and it will immediately disappear from this section. And from now on your device will take photos almost right after touching the shutter button. We've got 3 seconds, but it is caused because of this moon icon. So just tap on it to turn off the night shot, and then from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.